how to recover hacked Facebook account. So if you want to recover your hacked Facebook account, then you can open up your Google or your browser, anything that you're comfortable with, and go with the search. Under search, you need to search for hacked Facebook account. Once you search here, you just need to simply go with the first option, which is hacked and fake account, or go with the Facebook Help Center. And here it will take you to this kind of page where you just need to simply go with hacked accounts and choose the second option, which is if you think your Facebook account was hacked, and then tap on get started under the help guide. And here you just need to simply choose someone else gained access to my account, and if you can still log in, then you can choose yes, or if you are not being able to log in, then go with no, I can't. And it asks you that if you have the access to the phone number or email address on the account. If you have, then go with yes, and if you don't, then go with no. So I'll be choosing yes because I have the access to phone and email. And here it says that log out of your account you're currently using and go to facebook.com. Click on the forgot account and follow the on-screen instructions. So simply go with the facebook.com, and here you just need to simply go with forgot account or forgot password, and here it will take you to find your account page where you just need to simply enter your email or your mobile number. So I'll be choosing email and then tap on search, and here you will have this kind of interface where you can use your Google account to log in, or you can simply use the email address or the recovery email address, or you can enter password to log in. Or if you don't have access to these, then go with no longer have access to these, and then tap on start, and you need to set a new login email. So enter the new email and then tap on get code, and you need to enter the code which Facebook has sent to the new email address which you have just entered. So you will get the recovery code. You just need to simply enter the recovery code which you've received on your new email address, and then go with confirm. And that's it. Now you need to confirm that it's you. You just need to simply upload your ID. Simply tap on upload ID, and you can upload the passport, driver's license, or national ID card, or marriage certificate, and then go with next. And once you confirm your identity, you'll be able to log into your account and you'll be able to recover your account. So that's it. That's how you can recover your hacked Facebook account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.